Hmm?
It's funny as heck.
Hold on. I got it in my purse right here.
Oh.
The wedding is at
Put it in
noon.
chokehold here in a second. Oh.
And the barbecue and the picnic is immediately following. But the wedding... No, he said it's not that far. He said they're only about a half hour from each other, is what Dennis said.
Beating them up on the ground. That's funny as heck.
Yeah, well...
Wait for the chokehold. Oh, kick him. I'm back. Oh
You
my
should see
God.
this kid being up the punching bag.
Where do you think Eric going to now?
Where'd he go?
Okay.